Ganon came with hate and malice, took Hyrule's out of a fight. A young boy came after sleep. His boy is the chosen of Hyrule. He fight for just and for the good. The time had come to fight the evil. Link fought him on Hyrule's field. 100 years later, Ganon will pay with his life. Lightbolt came to shoot the sports. Come on, Link. Catching a horse and break it in. Registered on a stable, finding goblins. Back to them holes, finding the pack and getting the game. Sneaking on them, a surprising attack. Silver and blue, and they are down. And they are down, forever they're gone. Breath of the Wild. Link fight for Hyrule. Breath of the Wild. Link fight for Hyrule. Here in blue, Master Sword glow, hunting evil for a better world, protecting the woman and encourage the men. The only good guardians are dark blue, taking the screw and taking them springs, enslaving the red. Run to the hill, fight for your life. Breath of the Wild. Link fight for Hyrule. Breath of the Wild. Run for your life. Run to the hill. Link fight for Hyrule. Breath of the Wild. Link fight for Hyrule.